Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we want to make sure that we can now aim again when we are out in cover. Maybe I should move my window up here. So let's see. One thing I also noticed is that if I move to the right and hold down right key, he stays, and that's all good. But if I move to the left and hold, it doesn't. And I think I messed something up, because inside my let's see, my handle directional movement, this one, the one coming out from the move forward on the event graph, I have a check going down here, so return to cover right, and I'm saying if I'm not moving right, and I changed this, I remember, from greater than, it should maybe be something different. I think it should say if I'm not moving left or right, but I think I'm just gonna say okay, gonna remove this one and say get move right different from zero, whoops, different from 0. So that means if we are not moving either left or right, and the same with this one. So see, when I hold down, he still pops back. So oh, this should stay equal to. Oh, shit, keep doing that. Alright, so of course, if I release the move to the side button, of course, I think I am tired. Been working with this all day, trying to bring you these tutorials. They take up a lot of time to make. Oops. I have a key that apparently. Whoa! Okay. I wonder, I think I pressed 9 or something. Hang on a second. I don't like when I have stuff not working. Let's see, input. Oh, this old throw grenade stuff. Okay. Before I remove that, let me. Some experimental stuff and didn't want to keep. I may add it again later on, but now it's gone. Input and get rid of that. Okay. Go away. Okay. So let's see if it's working now. Yep, now we can stay out in cover, or in emerged state. So let's continue. So what we need now is to get the free animation starter pack. If you haven't added that already, I guess you have. But in my case, I actually noticed that when I came to this part, I removed it. And if you haven't got it, add it to your pack, to the project, go ahead and add it again, because we need this aim space here, and that's inside here. So it's gonna be called something like, I can't remember the name actually, but it's called something with aim offset. And I have an aim offset already, this one, which directs our movement up and down. So what we're going to do now is to replace this one with the to the sides also. So if you know exactly how this works, you can just skip ahead to the next tutorial, because this is basically just going to be a video about me making that aim offset. So first of all, we want to make aim offset, and we want to make this for our atom skeleton, and call this aim space, I think it's called. Is it not? It's called aim offset. Okay, I don't know why I call them AS. 2D, I'm gonna call it. I think it's because I called them aim space. Anyway, that's what I'm going to call this one. So this is going to be a 2D, and let's quickly take a look at the 1D, because this one is taking a pitch from minus 90 to 90, and so in the 2D we're going to work both the pitch and the yaw. So the x-axis here is going to be the yaw, aim, yaw, and the y-axis is going to be the aim pitch, and they're going to go from minus 90 to 90, and the same here, and apply. So let's see, we could use these old ones without any problem at all, but for the demonstration of this video, let's make all of them. So what you want to do first is to take this and break it up into 9 smaller pieces, and I do this by duplicating it a few times. Duplicate, just keep duplicating, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or press Ctrl W, but then I still need, oh, what's going on? I think I duplicated something out here. My floor. Okay, yeah, interesting. Yeah, anyway, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm gonna make one extra copy in case I fuck something up. So let's take the first one and call this iron sight CC for center, and go ahead and find the place where he is pointing straight forward, and that's here. So right click down here and remove frame 1 to the rest, so we only have one one frame. And let's just take one random other one and find the frame where he is, okay, this is up and down. Okay, so let's take the first one where he's pointing up. So you can use these. So find, doesn't need to, I don't think it needs to be exact, but let's pick this one and say remove from frame 0 to 9, and then remove everything after that, so you end up with one frame. And we're going to call this center up, and we want to find the center down now. right about there. Remove that and remove that. Center down. And since what we are making here is going to be a blend space, and blend space is blend space. Let's go is this a blend space? What did I make? It's an aim offset. Sorry, an aim offset. Then these need a reference pose, or they are going to be rather we need these additive settings to be based off a reference pose, and what we're going to base this on is actually, for the center one, going to be the same CC, and I guess this is one I didn't save yet, so select that, select this one, reference frame index 0, because they only have one, so save that. And you want to do that for all of them actually, so let's go ahead and do that for the center up. Select mesh space and select frame, and the CC, I believe it's the bottom one. You should actually get rid of the because I'm making this from the beginning again. I'm gonna call this old so I don't mess it up. Okay, let's continue. So center up, and we want to make selection here and say CC, and pick this one and save. Let me just check real quick that I now picked the right one. I think I picked the wrong one. Let's see, or maybe I didn't. Okay, it is the right one. So continue to the down, go to mesh space and select animation frame, sorry, CC, save, and let's continue. So that's up and down we have in place now. So let's take the next one. So this is going to be this is the left shoulder, center left. Remove everything from the beginning to the end. And now let's just say mesh space and animation frame, CC, and there we go. Save that. So this is going to be left center, and let's rename it beforehand. Right center, right center. So let's find the right center. That's there. Remove all that and remove all that. Make sure to pick mesh space and frame like that. Save. And let's go on to the next one. Would take actually left up, like here. Just make these. Save. So this is left up, left up, and take the next one, left down probably. Yep. And mesh space, animation frame CC, that one. So this was left down, and we are missing right up. There we have right up, and mesh space, animation frame CC, save, call this right up, and I think we used, no, we have one here. This is gonna be right down. So that one. Okay, that should be all of them. So let's now put them inside the animation, the aim offset. So the CC is going to be here, and it's going to make this. Don't worry about that. Center down, it's going to be down. Center up, it's going to be up, and left center is going to be. I can't really remember. Maybe I should check this real quick. Hang on a sec. So left, yeah, this is left center, yeah. Okay, and left down is going to be down here. Left up is going to be up here. Right center is going to be here in the middle, and the right down is going to be down here, and the right up is going to be up here. And something is wrong because he is not looking correct. I think maybe I need to set this preview base pose, I guess. Okay, because now he seems to be aiming. Okay, so all we need now, let's see how much time do we have. We have 17 minutes. I think it's good time to take a break. Make sure to save everything, and in the next video we will hook this up. Okay, so until then, bye bye.